Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with entry number 25 into my SUBBIE challenge, my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. And so let's just get into it. This comes from Dana Girl. She's Dana Girl here on YouTube. Oh my goodness. Let's see what she's sent. So first off, congrats. Oh. And she's added a letter. Let me see. Okay, so it just says, Maka, congratulations on 400 subbies. Way to go. I'm so happy for you. I also wanted to say thank you for entering my recent giveaway challenge. It really meant a lot to me. I think it is so important to stay connected, and these are fun ways to do that. Hope you enjoy the Disney goodies. Ooh! Best wishes, Hannah. Oh, girl, thank you so much. Spoiler alert. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh. 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 What? Oh! Oh! Look at this cute Mickey book. Oh yeah. I can always use stickers. Thank you so much. Let's see her Memorydex. Look at. What's going on? Oh. How pretty. Look. Okay, wait. It is so cute. I love how dainty it looks. Oh, this is so pretty. Look it. So she has all different sizes of rhinestones around the image. And then she's added this lace around it. I think it makes the image stand out even more. Then she has these paper flowers she's added. And they have stickles, I think, on them. She's added this, this is like a little wood veneer. And I think she's embossed it as well. And then look at the glittery paper on the back. And she added this hi. So pretty. And let's see, so she's Hannah, and she's from Spring, Texas. Her favorite colors are blue. Oh, her favorite color is blue. Her favorite candy is Recess, and her favorite animal is a horse. She is Dana Girl here on YouTube, and I will link her channel in my description box below so you guys can go show her some love. And on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and Pinterest, she's Dana Girl's Designs. So thank you so much for your Memorydex. And then, oh, you know what? I think I did see her video. They're like little kits that she made. How fun! Oh my goodness, so fun. Crayons. A little pen. Oh, Goofy. Some rhinestone gemmies. Stickers. How fun is this? A book. Aww. So fun. Oh, thank you so much. I like it. And I think this is the same concept. Same concept, I think she said. It's not the same stuff, just the same concept. So fun. That is such a cool idea. Thank you so much, Hannah. I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate the love and support you give my channel. Thank you for your entry. And until the next video, guys, shakas.